Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's video, we will learn how to set up automatic log for inactive devices in Microsoft Intune. We can protect our devices from an unauthorized use by configuring an automatic log that will log devices after a certain amount of time. When the devices are idle, they will be logged after a certain amount of time. The device log feature allows us to log a screen of the computer automatically after a few minutes of inactivity. When the computer is logged automatically, we will be taken to a log screen and we could sign in again to continue from where we left off. Our every application and all the tasks will remain at the same place where we were working on them. However, if any other user is registered on their specific computer, they could sign in by going to other user and sign in with their own credentials. Let's follow the steps to configure Autolog or to manage computer log activity using Microsoft Intune. Log in into Intune, please use this URL intune.microsoft.com and you must be global administrator or Intune service administrator to set up automatic log. First, let's go to the group. We will create a group to assign autolog configuration, right? So that the users of this specific group, right, or a member of this specific group will get these settings. Let's say when auto lock. Okay, I wanna add the same description. Scroll down in the members section. Let's add any device here, right? This setting will affect these devices. Let's add all these, select and create. Now we have created the group and we can set up autolog configuration and we will deploy that configuration to this specific group. Okay, now we have to create a configuration profile and we will assign that configuration profile to our Windows devices group, right? And that will affect all the members of Windows Autolog group, like all these members will be affected with that. So creating a configuration profile, let's go to devices. Here we want this policy for Windows. Once go to the Windows and here go to manage under manage devices, go to configurations. In the configuration, click on create and new policy. Here select the platform Windows 10 and later, and here in the profile type select settings catalog. Hit create. Now let's name this policy of window devices auto log. Auto log windows devices. Okay, hit next. Now we are on the configuration settings page. So here let's find the setting by clicking on add settings, and here you can scroll down A, B, C, D here and you can find out that device log setting is here, right? Now we got the list of categories here, right? We have 13 settings in device log category. We can search it by a keyword here also, and here we want to expand device password enable. Let's expand it. Now let's find out our required setting is max inactivity time device log. Select this setting and close this window. Here it's asking us to enable device password. So here enable device password enable to enable. Now the next option is that maximum inactivity time device log. Here we have to define the time in minutes so that device will automatically log after our defined minutes here, right? And the device will ask for the password. So let's say I want it 15 minutes. I have defined 15 minutes here, that if the device will be idle for 15 minutes, I want that device to be logged automatically after 15 minutes, and that will ask for passwords to log in again. Hit next, again next. Here we can add that group. If you remember, we have created the specific group for this setting, and we want this setting to be applied on only Win Autolog group. And we have added devices to this group as well, right? 4 devices. If you want, you can add all users here, all devices here. If you don't want to add group, also here we have the option that if you want to exclude any group, you could exclude that group from this setting. So that's fine. We need this setting only for this group. Hit next. Now you can review this setting you have created here, and you can select create. Refresh here, and policy is successfully created. That's perfect. You can see Windows Auto Log policy is created, and this configuration profile, once this configuration profile will be propagated across the devices that are added into the group, right, Win Auto Log group, you will get report here that it succeeded, error, conflict, not applicable, or in progress for all of these devices with device name, logged in user, check-in status, and all detail here. And you could export the report from here as well. I am not going to export. You can export that report summary from here. And let's see what else you can check. Yeah, if you want to edit any of these settings here, right, or if you want to add any other group here, right, to get this setting, you can edit. And yeah, if you want to edit configuration setting, as we previously saw that there were many options we can set up, but my this video is specifically for auto log after a certain amount of inactivity time. So that's it about today's video. I hope you enjoyed this simple and step-by-step process. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting, keep commenting, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.